Just like Thomas Edison once said, I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. It's pretty much the story of my plane design. It all started more than 20 months ago when I set my mind to design a 3D printed plane. Back then, 3D printing RC planes was just a scattered idea. People would talk about it, but you couldn't see many designs out there, and usually the designs that were available were either too expensive or too heavy to be enjoyable during flight. I said to myself that I want to try to design my own flying thing, and that was an ambitious goal. I watched several other projects, I read articles and watched YouTube videos in order to try to learn a few tips and tricks. The main reason was to try to stay away and avoid common mistakes and design flaws that other people inevitably do. So, all in all, it was an interesting project. I designed everything in AutoCAD and I 3D printed it using my Delta printer. All the parts were designed for small round beds. I first tried to print everything using normal PLA, then I tried PETG and PLA Plus, but the plane was overall too heavy. Trying to add more nose weight in order to balance the heavy tail was not a good idea, as the plane would usually become sensitive to mechanical stress.
Oh, ouch.
So any bump into the runway would cause several cracks or crashes. Then I tried low-weight PLA from ColorFab. I'm not affiliated with them and I'm not trying to say that they're the best. It's just that I was so impressed by how much layer resistance this thing has to delamination. So what I'm saying is that the choice of your material will greatly impact the strength of the entire design. I will leave you with some sequences of the actual working model. The glider is available for download, just check the link in the description. The entire design took about 80 hours, but I needed a whole lot more time for 3D printing, assembling and fine-tuning everything, several times.